Grammar in use. What is your name? How old are you? Where do you live? In such questions, WH words are used to ask for information. The answers cannot be yes or no. We expect an answer which gives information. So, the respondents have to give exact specific answers. Questions that do not have yes or no as answers are called information question. The structure of the WH questions or information question is WH word plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus complement, means main verb plus extra information or details. Next, can you play football? Are you a student? Did you go to school yesterday? The questions above are formed by using the auxiliary verbs. They will have yes or no as answers. Questions that have yes or no as answers are called simple questions or interrogative statement. The structure of the simple question is auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb plus extra information or details. Okay.